we've had an amazing selection of acts. We've had a nice mix of house, we've had some Afro beats, some techno. We've had it all. That's what Point Blank is all about.
Thank Point Blank so much for this opportunity, because they're really like showcasing the skills that you have. It wasn't like you had to fit to a certain genre as such. And I just love the sort of how people can connect with the songs that I'm performing. It's really important to me.
I am performing here. This is my first performance and I just got done with it. It was amazing. I loved it.
Yeah, my set was so different today, which was a bit concerning because everybody was doing ballads and slow songs, but I had to come right in the middle and chuck some drum and bass and liquid D&B and bass line and UKG because we just love that stuff.
It's been an incredible night. We've had a lot of students turn up, we've had a lot of people get involved, and everyone's had fun and we've had a great time.
It's so great to see an event that showcases vocalists. As a performer, I know one of the biggest things is getting experience being on a stage. And the only way you can do that is being put out in front of an audience, being able to interact with an audience. And Point Blank giving these amazing students the opportunity to do that in a venue like the Camden Club is amazing, allowing them to really develop their stage skills and getting used to performing in front of people.
I'm so glad I ended up here because I love Point Blank in all ways. It's just so complete. It just develops you into a person who can do everything, you know.
Let's go, Point Blank, Point Blank, let's go. Oi, oi.